What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is 410 Auto Tech, back with another video finally. A company by the name of Suncent Auto, I'm going to leave the link down below, reached out to me to test some Sealight headlight bulbs. I'm excited to install them because I've been wanting to upgrade my lights. They're not the brightest, they're not the dimmest, but definitely, hey, if you got brighter lights, it's definitely worth it. Check them out. So let's hop into the video and let's see what we got. Here are the headlights made by Sealight Exino were LED lights. They are the type X1, fits H8, H9, H11, and H16, and I guess 9005 HB3. Alright, it definitely comes with the high beams and the low beams and a pair of white gloves. That I have small hands, but I don't really think that these will even fit my hands. But you know what? For the video purposes, I'll even throw them on. Alright, this is your driver's side. You're going to take this panel off right here, and this panel off right here. Your low beam, your high beam, and I'll pop them off and then we'll install them real quick. For this is for the driver's side, and then the next video clip would be for the passenger side. Alright, so here's for the passenger side. We are going to have to remove this coolant hose right here, pop this off the clip here, and there's a panel that has to come out too. It is held on by a Christmas tree and then a Torx that I'll take out, and then we'll go back to the installation part. That's your low beam. Here's the low beam. There you go. Really easy installation if you're not filming. Click it into place. So what you want to do is shove the connector portion and the little voltage regulator to the side. Nice, locked in place. And then you're going to want to do the same thing for the other side. Here are the factory headlight bulbs, the low and the high, more of a yellow tint. And you come over here, this is more of like a bluish tint, bluish white tint on the low and high beams. So now I just got to install the passenger side and take it for a road test. Move it over to the side. You got access to both lights now. Pretty easy job. Alright, once you install the low beam and the high beam bulb, you are going to match this at, I want to say, at the 10 o'clock position, and tighten it on both sides, and easy like that. Voila. Here it is. Here is the passenger side, driver side. Now I just need, I guess, the fog lights installed. Now next all I need is to buy or get some fog lights and to match the high and low beams, and I'll be set. Nice, quick, easy, under 10 minutes to do it, both sides. Well, there you guys have it, YouTube. That's a quick installation of the Sealight sent to me by Suncent Auto. They have reached out to me and asked me if I can review their lights, do an installation video. I said sure, why not. Sealights, my buddy has a Duramax, and he has the high, the low, and the fog light, so that's why I was curious about them, and I definitely tried it out. I definitely like the color to it. Link a video down below, and it'll be, if you type in Auto 11, you'll get an 11% discount at checkout on anything above a certain amount. I appreciate Suncent Auto reaching out to me and allowing me to try out their Sealights on my 2019 Chevy Colorado. I appreciate it all. And if I really do like the video, if I really do like the lights, I will post a 6-month review. I've been away from YouTube, so I guess I'll learn how to do shorts. And after that, I'll do a year review on YouTube Shorts, or it is, but I definitely want to try out and try those fog lights, so I'll probably reach out to them, either buy them or see if send me out another one to show you guys. But I know I've been away for a while. I've been trying to get back into YouTube, but a whole bunch of other stuff has been going on behind the scenes. But much love to you guys, and I will definitely catch you guys on the next video. 410 Auto Tech out.